how to make a business card. How to make a business card when you can be given a work to create a business card. So we will be showing you how to create a business card with the use of an app. So first of all, you click on create. You click on create. So let's wait for the app to finish downloading. As you can see here, a lot of template of business card have displayed. This all is latest, this future, premium, and the rest. So let's pick from this. For the sake of this class, I prefer there's a lot of templates, but I prefer this one. So now, as you can see, we have picked one. We have picked one template, but we need to edit it. So let's see. Let's see. Edit text. Let's write it, Muhammad. Alright. So let's edit the text. CEO of company. Company name. Let's edit the text. MG Ashafa ICT Center. Let's apply it. Let's see phone number. This phone number. Let's say 09030708565. So our phone number. So remember website. So website will be MG Ashafa ICT Center.com. So address line 1. CC Jikadef Fali Liberty Junction. So upright. I suppose Gombe State. Does it. So remain the mail, then you input your email also. Does it. Jamil Muhammad. You input your email also. So here you can write MG Ashafa. So that's it. We're finished. editing our business card. So this is front side. Let's turn it to back side. Company name. Let's company name MG Ashafa. That's company name. Tagline. Company name Ashafa. ICT Center. Tagline. Let's see. MG Ashafa. So that's it. That is front side, that's back side. So as you can all see, we have finished creating, or we have finished editing our business card. So what we remain for is to click on download. Click on download. It's all right. You click on saved. You click on saved. When you click on saved, our image has successfully been saved. Our image has successfully been saved. So that's it. That's the front side, and that's the back side. It successfully been saved. Let's check it whether we have saved it. Let's check it. Let's go back to home. Let's check saved. As you can see that. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.